Still struggling to move tons of crushed stone for your construction projects? Traditional crushed stone layers are prone to shifting, settling, and even poor drainage. But what if there were a smarter way to stabilize soil and manage water flow? Introducing Geonet lightweight, high-strength drainage net that efficiently guides water flow while maintaining soil stability. Simply lay it under soil or crushed stone, and its three-dimensional structure directs water flow away from the soil, preventing erosion and hydrostatic pressure. Even under heavy loads, Geonet maintains its performance, while traditional crushed stone shifts or compacts over time. Engineers choose Geonet because it's faster to install, more cost-effective, and space-saving. Whether for roads, slopes, landfills, or green infrastructure, Geonet provides reliable drainage and support for decades to come. Ready to upgrade your project? Explore a smarter approach to soil stabilization. Learn about Geonet today and see how it can save you time, money, and effort.